In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find or see your purchase history on Steam. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking my videos and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, let's get into it. So to see your purchase history, it is quite simple. Just head over to your account here on top and then click on it. Under this, choose account details. Now from here, you will be able to see this option called store and purchase history available here. Now, if you go ahead and click on this first option, view purchase history, this will go ahead and list all your purchase history that you have on Steam. So this will include all the purchases, maybe the refunds, everything will be found here. So that's how you can find your purchase history on Steam. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.